Hello, my name is Simon. Welcome to Kent High Performance Cars, where we are proud to offer this beautiful 2002 Ferrari 575M F1, presented in Argento Nürburgring with Bordeaux leather and Nero carpets. Options fitted include electric Daytona seats, leather headlining, leather parcel shelf, Scuderia windshields and red brake calipers. This is one of only 182 right-hand drive F1 examples ever to be built. She has covered only 46,700 miles from new, last serviced at 46,243 miles, and will have another service prior to delivery to its new owner. Supplied new from Lancaster, Colchester in July 2002 and known to us since June 2010. The car comes with original toolkit, leather roll, etc. Moving inside the car, the Bordeaux leather is in superb condition, as are the Nero carpets. If you have any questions or would like to view the vehicle, please don't hesitate to contact us on 01622 759 599. Many thanks again for your time.